I am obsessed, guys. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some ITALO jewelry. ITALO is a jewelry brand that you can find online. This is not a subscription box though. I just want to make that very, very clear. They don't offer that right now. I really think they should, but they don't. This video is sponsored by ITALO Jewelry, but all opinions are my own. I have worked with them in the past and I truly believe in their products. Otherwise, I wouldn't be making this video. And when I'm done unboxing these, I'm actually going to show you some of my other rings that I have from ITALO that I still love and wear to this day. And they're still amazing quality. I've been working with them since 2019. So that's 3 years. And honestly, everything is awesome. But anyway, if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe and let's get into unboxing what they sent over this time. So I actually did request a couple of rings because I love their rings. They're my absolute favorite. So when you first unbox it, you get this little pouch, which is amazing. You also get a silver polishing cloth. You get the disinfection of jewelry product certificate. So it lets you know that it was disinfected before it was sent over to you. And then their return and exchange policy, which states that you get a full coverage return and exchange. So if you receive the wrong item or the item is broken or defective, you can get your money back, or they will exchange it for you. Limited coverage return if you ordered the wrong size or you don't like the item in person. Customized items aren't eligible for return or exchange. There's also a warranty card that lets you know about their 1-year warranty. They will basically replace anything that goes wrong within a year as long as it wasn't done on purpose. Then you also get your 925 sterling silver certificate. I like that it's basically very, very legit. Everything is signed off on. And then your jewelry care guide. So obviously use jewelry polishing cloths. Don't take a shower with the jewelry. Use warm water to clean it. Avoid cleaning damaged jewelry. Keep your jewelry secure. We have the products in here. There are 2 individual products. You see this? This is where all of my other ITALO jewelry is, that I just want to keep them together to make sure I remember that they're all from the same brand. But anyway, let's see which one I opened up first. Oh, I am obsessed, guys. I'm obsessed. This is the classic garnet cushion cut engagement ring. This is $138.98. Guys, this is so freaking pretty. Look at how gorgeous that is. I did get a size 7 because I'm pregnant. And honestly, I thought my fingers would have grown by now, but they haven't because I haven't gained any weight at all. I'm gonna have to wear it on my middle finger, which is totally fine. It'll fit me there really, really nicely. That way it doesn't mess with my wedding ring or anything like that, but I'm obsessed. This is like, yes, it's really like, oh my gosh, bam in your face. But these are great engagement rings if you are on a budget and you don't want to spend thousands of dollars, because these are all white sapphire. So they're not like diamond rings, but they are the same quality. Honestly, look at this. Like, come on. These are diamonds. Yeah, I wouldn't exchange my wedding or my engagement ring for anything in the world. But these, come on. You can totally see that this is just like really great quality. And this down here, super shiny. I love it. Let me actually turn down the brightness so you guys can see this even better. Just look at that. Do you see the sparkle on the cushion cut? I am so obsessed. I can even put it here. These don't have to be engagement rings either. You don't have to put them on your ring finger. You can put them on your index, on your middle. Wear them as, I'm gonna wear this on a night out. Are you kidding me? Like on a date night. Like how cute would this be for like a Valentine's Day date night? Like red, hello. I love it. So freaking pretty. I am very happy with this. Very, very high quality. It's heavy, but not in a bad way. Like it's not gonna weigh down your finger. Really, really nice. I love it a lot. Let me just read a little bit of the details of this. This is 925 sterling silver, but it is white sapphire. The total weight of the ring is 12.67 grams. The center stone weight is 5.61 CT. And it is rhodium, which gives a platinum appearance. It's nickel free. It's a sapphire. It's a garnet red sapphire, and it's a cushion cut with 4 prongs. So the setting is 4 prongs. The side stone colors are white, and the cut of the side stones are heart and round, and the settings of the side stones are prong and pave. I love this. Super high quality, super pretty. I love it on my middle finger, honestly. So I'm kind of glad I got a 7. I might have been able to get a 6.5 and still had it fit. Definitely measure your finger. You can use my discount code, by the way, and you could save additional money. I'll have it linked down below for this exact ring, and I'll have also a general link down below where you can just check out any jewelry from ITALO. This makes perfect gifts. I mean, it's really early to start thinking about holiday gifts, but I already have, honestly. And this makes the perfect gift for someone special in your life. It doesn't have to be an engagement ring. It can be just like a fun going out ring. Hello, I would wear this out. I'm so excited to wear this out. I'm like so excited. I chose this one on purpose because I actually don't think I have a cut like this. How freaking pretty is this? This is the pear cut engagement ring in pink. And this is $142.95. This actually has 5-star reviews. Let me see what the other one, if it does. Oh, there's no reviews on the other one, but it gets a 5-star for me. Trust me, it feels really high quality. There's 5-star reviews. That's amazing. Look how pretty this is. There's stones on the side. So freaking pretty. And this is also a size 7, so it's gonna have to go here. It is a little bit smaller, but the sides are a lot bigger, so it makes it look a little bit bigger. Not bigger, but it makes it look like the same size. But I love the pink. Look how pretty the pink is. It's so pretty. Another one that I could rock for Valentine's Day, okay? This is 925 sterling silver, and again, white sapphire. The gem type is pink sapphire. The total weight of the ring is 10.15 grams, so it's a little bit less than the other ring. And then the center stone weight is 4.00 CT, and it is rhodium, which gives a platinum appearance, and it's nickel free. So the gem type is sapphire, it's pink, and it's a pear cut. The primary stone setting is 5 prongs, so there's 5 prongs holding it together. And then we've got the side stone color, which is white, and they're all round, and they are prong stone settings. So pretty. It doesn't like hurt me to like close my fingers. Like I know that was like a thing that some people might have an issue with. I really like this ring. It's so pretty. Let's put them on next to each other. Might be a little much, but we'll do it. YOLO. Look how pretty. Which one do I like more? I don't know. This one's just so unique, right? I don't have a pear cut, I don't think, in my collection at all. So now that I'm done showcasing the new rings that I got, I do want to go through all of my old Italo rings. You can go ahead and check out their individual videos from when I unboxed them, just like I did in this video. I will have the playlist link down below because I've done so many videos with Italo, like I said. And that means that I truly would not recommend Italo to you if I didn't genuinely recommend them. This is my favorite one out of all of them. I don't know what it is about it. It is just so freaking pretty. This is also a cushion cut like the new one that I got, but it's rose gold. And I just feel like this is, oh my god, I feel like I've lost weight in my finger, honestly. This is a 6. They haven't lost their like shininess, but I do polish them quite often, especially if I'm wearing them. And I wear this one so much. I can't even tell you how much I wear this one. This is probably my most worn out of all of them. I love this one as well. It's got like the red, this is a wedding band, and it's got like the red stone. I love putting it on my middle finger though. And it looks so pretty, just like chilling there. It makes you look super classy, super luxury, but on a budget, because these are all under $200 pretty much. The V-cut, I love this one so much too. And as you can see, the quality is still there. They haven't tarnished or anything, like not that they're going to, but again, that's because I take good care of it. You have to take good care of your jewelry. This one doesn't fit on my middle finger, so this one must be a 6. This one's nice. I love it. And I like pairing that one with like any, you know, pretty much any engagement ring. Maybe not that one because it doesn't really go as well, but I do love this engagement ring. It's so pretty. Like I'm telling you, if you're on a budget, these are so pretty, and I've had these for years. I think honestly this one might be from 2019, my most used one, my favorite one. But again, I will have all of my videos linked down below so you can go check them out. I love this one too. This one's so pretty. Oh, I also have earrings. They do sell other jewelry. These are super pretty. They're 925 sterling silver, but they're like everything is white sapphire pretty much. They're still so sparkly. Honestly, the last time I did a collab with Italo was a year ago, more than a year ago, I would say. So these are pretty old. I think these might be one of the newer ones that I got maybe from last year. I love this one too because again, it's a little dainty. It's got blue sapphire, super pretty. And I love layering rings too. This one fits on my middle finger. Cool. That's pretty much all of them. Like, again, you can go check out their individual videos. But yeah, now I have 2 more to add to my collection. So I'm so thankful for that. I love Italo so much. So thank you so much to Italo for sponsoring this video. Let me know which piece was your favorite. Honestly, I have to go with this one though, because it is so unique to my collection. I don't really have a pear-shaped one. So pretty and really unique in my collection. Very sparkly. I'm definitely gonna wear this out. I don't really go out that often. I don't know. Like, I'm talking like I go out every weekend, and I really don't. Let me know if you're gonna purchase something. They make great gifts, so I highly recommend them. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. ITALO, go through some of my rings that I, oh my gosh. One of them fell. I hope it's okay. Yeah, it's fine.